Hello, it's truly Camelia again with another lesson just for you. Today, we will talk about the differences of here versus here. Here versus here can be confused a little bit with some English speakers. There are many words like here and here that sound alike, but they have different meanings, okay? And there are many words like that, and I will try my best to share those words with you, okay? Those words, again, they sound alike, but they mean something totally different. So here means to actually listen. Okay? It's a verb. I hear you speaking. I hear the lesson playing. I can hear the drums. Okay? Here, the other here means it's actually an adverb, but it means to be at a place, to be in, at, or in the process of something. Okay? So I can say, may I eat here? I am teaching here in my classroom. I want to meet you here. Can you sit here with me? Okay, so it has two different meanings. Here, meaning listen. I hear the teacher talking. Or here, meet me in the class right here. I hope this helps you. Again, if you are learning English or you're wanting to improve your English, please make sure you subscribe, you share the videos with someone that is also learning English, a friend or maybe a coworker, and also like the video so I can know that the content that I'm giving you all is helping you. All right? If you have a question, please leave it down in the comments. Also, if you want me to review a lesson or if you want me to go over something that may be confusing to you, then please let me know as well in the comments. Most of my videos come from my students because I know if someone else has a question about it or if someone else has a problem with it, there are probably more other people that have a problem with a particular situation as well. So that is why I want to help you all with videos, okay? In the video form, in the lesson form. So I hope you have a good day and happy learning. Bye bye.